Jai Srimanarayana. After Dasharatha Maharaju departed, all the ministers and great scholars and acharyas conducting an emergency meeting and started discussing about the consequences, what happens if there is no king to the kingdom. Everybody started pouring their own opinions, saying that Narajake Janapade Siddhartha Vyavaharinaha. If there is no king to the kingdom, nobody will carry any kind of ethical values. No law will be conducted, and there will be all over everywhere the bribing will be spreading like anything. Narajake Janapade, if there is no king to the kingdom, nobody will be giving discourses upon our itihasas and puranas. Narajake Janapade kadhabhihi anurajyante. Even if there are few people who will be preaching and discoursing upon our scriptures, that discourse will not be so captivating to the common people. So they will not be able to captivate all levels of audience. Narajake Janapade Hema Bhushitaha. There won't be people wearing any kind of decorating, any kind of ornaments, and they cannot dare to wear the ornaments, and they cannot dare to come into the streets. There won't be people going to the parks and here and there, recreation clubs. Narajake Janapade Nari Bhihi Sahakamina. Couples, lovers, they cannot be brave enough to go into the streets and enjoy, because all over bad people will be there and they may do any kind of harm to them. Narajake Janapade Dhanavantaha Surakshitaha. All the wealthiest people, there won't be any safety to them if there is no king to the kingdom, and nobody will be able to sleep in the homes while keeping their main doors open. From now onwards, if there is no king to the kingdom, every home will be closed. The main doors will be always kept closed. Narajake Janapade, if there is no king to the kingdom, even there will be no protection to the animals. There won't be people learning about our astra, sestra, archery, vidya. Narajake Janapade, if there is no king to the kingdom, all imports, exports, everything will be just gets paused. Narajake Janapade, the protection will not be there to anyone. Narajake Janapade Charati Ekacharovasi. If there is no king to the kingdom, no yati, no sannyasis, no great people, they will not be able to go here and there and conduct divine auspicious discourses and activities. Narajake Janapade Yogakshemam Pravartate. Yogam, gaining something new. Kshemam, protecting whatever they have and whatever they gained. So when there is no king to the kingdom, this vyavastha, this establishment, this formula will be completely lost. Yoga kshemam will be lost. There won't be new things coming to the families. There won't be protection to the families. And the entire army will be completely discouraged and also completely going down. Narajake Janapade, there won't be any pilgrimage when there is no king to the kingdom. There won't be any kind of research, scientific research will be done by the great scientists and scholars. When there is no king to the kingdom, all the scientists will be completely stopping their discussions and their researches. Narajake Janapade, if there is no king to the kingdom, Devataradhana will not be done. Narajake Janapade, if there is no king to the kingdom, even in the Antahpuram also, the Rajakumaras and all the women in the Antahpuram, they will not be brave enough to decorate themselves, even for them to roam around inside the Antahpuram also. So these are all the consequences, and if there is no king to the kingdom, like that every minister and every acharya started giving their own opinions about this. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.